Hey guys, Thunder E here. I just got back from the Microsoft store and I picked up the Microsoft Surface 3. But Microsoft actually had some goodies there, so if you're going to go pick it up, you can get a few free things. Got a water bottle, got a t-shirt too, Surface t-shirt. But we're all interested in this guy here, the Type color keyboard, as well as the Surface 3. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so here is our Surface 3 and our type cover keyboard for the Surface 3. So looking at the type cover keyboard first, this works for your Surface 3, retails for $129. I do have the red variant. You can pick up in multiple colors. Now, also, a really cool thing is that if you're going to the Microsoft store, if you're trading your Surface RT or Surface 2, you can get up to $150. Surface 2 will give you $150. Now, the keyboard there feels a little bit more sturdy. It's got a better trackpad just from feel already. It's not that cloth trackpad. Still the same design generally way. Of course, it kind of clamps up to your Surface 3. Now, this is my Surface 2 keyboard there. You can see it's also got a cloth trackpad, which wasn't that good, but manageable, but much better trackpad, especially with all the typing you're going to be doing with this device. Like I said, it retails for $129. Now if you buy it at Costco, you can get the Costco bundle for $100 for the keyboard as well as the pen. So the Surface 3 is right here. I have the 128GB version. You can get either the 128 or 64 GB versions. Now starting price of course is $499 and it's $100 more for the 128 version. Again, Costco might be your best bet for picking up that bundle pricing. But that's the Surface 3. We'll set that aside. On the right hand side, that's where we have a packaging cover for our new charger. Microsoft has changed the chargers 3 times for the Surface line, except at least the good thing about this is that this is actually a micro USB charger for the Surface 3. So hopefully that will continue with this line and we wouldn't have to move forward. I kind of wish actually they went the Apple route with at least a Type-C, but that's a micro USB charger. That's the charger itself. We'll set that aside. Comes with a full year of Office 365. They call it a limited time offer, which is a $69 value, so you do get free Office 365 on the device, which means once you upgrade to Office 62 or 2016, you will have that. So that's the manual. And it's super bright. You can't see anything, doesn't matter, because you don't necessarily need that. So we're going to put that back, fold it in and take a look at our device. Now, in terms of specs for the Surface 3, now the Surface 3 comes with, like I said, 64 or 128, depending on which version you actually decide to purchase. It's got that magnesium build all together, and it's powered by the new Intel Atom X7Z8700 processor, which is a supposedly really awesome processor because it gives you about 80% of the performance of a Core i3. So of the Surface Pro 3, so it should be very nice. Now the rear camera there is an 8-megapixel camera. You can see there's a Windows logo at the back there, where it would normally say Surface. And as we just pan around the device, you can see you've got, of course, your display port, full USB, as well as the micro USB for charging. I don't know if you need to data transfer also or anything like that. Headphone jack, pop up the kickstand. You have your micro SD expansion, which of course can accept any kind of micro SD. And you've got 3 levels of your kickstand. 1, 2, 3. So you've got 3 levels of the kickstand there. You've got the volume and power on the top. Now all the ports are on the right hand side, as we showed earlier, and the front, that is a 10.8-inch display with a front-facing camera of 3.5 megapixels, and this resolution is 1080p. So that's what it looks like in terms of the display and setup. Now, like I mentioned, you do have the new Intel Atom processor. This also is running with 4 gigs of RAM for the 128GB version, and also you do have Bluetooth 4.0 Wi-Fi built in. Setting up the Surface 3 is pretty easy and basic. You turn it on, follow the Windows steps, and you kind of go through the whole process of logging in, signing in, all that fun stuff. stuff with it. Now I decided to transfer content, or at least set up from a previous machine, and that took a little bit longer, so it took me 15 minutes or so. I say 15-20 minutes altogether, but if I had selected to just to do a fresh install or setup, that would have been faster. So once that's actually done, moving to your Surface 3 is a very smooth, sublime experience. I do have to remind people that the Surface 3 does run full Windows 8.1. This is not an RT device, so which means your device will be upgradable to Windows 10 when that's available later on this summer. Of course, you got your startup screen, you've got your desktop, all that fun stuff built in, so you do have that ability with the Surface 3 to go through. And again, you've got the kickstands and the varying nature, so you can actually use it. Now I'm going to spend some time with it. I'm going to do a full review. I'll do comparisons with the Surface 2, as well as also the, of course, you know, the new Apple MacBook. Do a gaming video, but stay tuned for all that. But so far it seems like it's running pretty smooth and fast. So if you guys have any questions or any comments about the new Surface 3, let us know. Don't forget to like this video, share this video and favorite this video. Do subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy your entertainment.